this video we have to see about inductor and inductance with self-inductance and mutual inductance. So inductor is a storage device which can store energy in the form of electromagnetic field. We can define inductance using inductor only. So inductor takes the form of a solenoid which is multiple turns of wire wound around a cylindrical core as shown in the first figure, where the length of the core has to be considered, cylindrical core, and its cross sectional area, inner core material has been considered, and the wire which is used to wind up over the cylindrical structure has been considered with its number of turns over 8 as n, and current is made to pass over it, and the corresponding voltage created because of this current is also noted to find what is the inductance. So the inductance is because of the opposing effect that is produced because of the magnetic field produced within the coil. So the inductance is defined as the ratio of total magnetic flux linking the circuit or conducting structure to the current I flowing through the structure. So L is equal to Psi by I Henry, or otherwise we can tell as L is equal to N pi by I Henry, which is defined as a solenoid having n turns and carrying current of I amperes with a flux pi induces a field effect called inductance. This is another definition for inductance. Then what is self-inductance? Self-inductance is an inductance which is present within the circuit itself without any external excitations. So a coil is said to have a self-inductance of 1 Henry if a current of 1 ampere flowing through it produces flux linkages of 1 Weber turn in it. So here N pi is equal to 1 Weber turn, or I is equal to 1 ampere, that is which implies L is equal to 1 Henry, as we are having the formula L is equal to N pi by I. So self-inductance is flux linkage to applied current. That's it. No external effect has to be considered over here. So the EMF induced within it is given as L is equal to di by dt. So d by dt into Li we can write. From this we can write Li is equal to we are having E is equal to N into d pi by dt also, which is otherwise written as d by dt into N pi. So on equating these two, Li is equal to N pi, or other from it we can write the inductance also, L is equal to N pi by I, which is the self-inductance. To find mutual inductance, we have to consider two different coils to be mutually placed over a certain distance in between them. If two coils of wire are placed near each other, a change of current in one coil will induce EMF in the first coil and E2 in EMF E2 in the second coil. The induced EMF E2 in coil 2 is proportional to the rate of change of magnetic flux passing through it, and hence proportional to the rate of change of current in first coil, and so it is termed as mutually induced EMF. This induced EMF E2 is proportional to the rate of change of current through coil 1, and this proportionality constant is called the mutual inductance. So first, because of the varying current in coil 1, a change in EMF in coil 2 has been produced, and this induced EMF E2 is proportional to the rate of change of current in coil 1 is having a proportionality constant called mutual inductance. So it can be expressed mathematically expressed as E2 is equal to M into di1 by dt. This induced EMF can also be expressed as E2 is equal to N2 into d pi 12 by dt. Equating these two, we will be having L1 equal to N1 if we are considering individual self-inductance within the individual coils. L1 is N1 pi 1 by I1, L2 is N2 pi 2 by I2. If we consider both the coils having mutual inductance, then M is equal to N2 pi 12 by I1 is equal to N1 pi 21 by I2. But with the proportionality constants, we are having pi 12 is equal to k into pi 1, and pi 21 is equal to k into pi 2, where k is the coupling coefficient. And if we apply this, then L1 L2, because of the inductance present in the two coils has been considered as m square by k square, or k is equal to m by root of L1 L2. So this is the mutual inductance. So thus we have seen what is the inductance, what is self inductance, what is mutual inductance. Thank you.